Peace and blessings, family. I am your natural mystic medicine man, and today I want to talk about the power of ginger. But we really aren't talking about the ginger rhizome so much today. Today I want to talk about the ginger leaves and the shoots, which are also edible. Now, those of us in the West don't typically know anything about eating ginger leaves or eating ginger shoots. We tend to focus more on a ginger rhizome. But if you're into producing your own medicine and food, then you're going to be less likely to utilize, unless you have a big ginger farm, you're going to be less likely to utilize the ginger rhizome, because you're going to need that rhizome to produce more ginger. Way back at the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic, I shared on my Facebook page how to go about taking store-bought ginger rhizomes and planting them or rooting them to grow more ginger. And I'm really not going to go into too much about that today. I do want to share the medicinal value of ginger. Again, we're not going to use so much the ginger rhizome, which you see here is climbing out of the pot. So I can't wait to harvest that so that we can use it next year. We're talking about the leaves and the shoots. The leaves and the shoots, just like the rhizome, is anti-inflammatory. In fact, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory. So if you are suffering from arthritis, first, of course, you want to change your diet as much as possible. But you can begin by adding ginger to your diet, because ginger is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories as far as plants are concerned in the world. It's also a powerful antioxidant. So you can, if you add it to your dietary lifestyle, I'm trying to get out of the habit of saying diet, because the word die is in there, and we don't want to subliminally suggest anything. So our lifestyle, as far as it relates to food, you want to add ginger to your lifestyle. Okay. You can harvest these leaves, because that's what we're going to be eating. You can harvest and eat them raw. You can make a tea out of it. You can, if you have mouth issues, you can just chew on the leaves and it will help to heal your mouth. There's just so much. I don't want to forget anything. So I'm going to type, if I forget to say it, I'm going to type as much as I can right on the video so you can read it yourself. But it's very good for men's health. If men are getting a little older, their sex drive may start to decrease due to lifestyle, or some would say just the nature of males getting older. We may lose our testosterone somewhat. This helps to build the testosterone. It helps to hinder the growth of prostate cancer. Again, this is a very powerful plant, and you don't want to leave it out of your pharmacy, your backyard pharmacy, not the pharmacy down the street that you're going to spend a fortune on medicine. Your backyard pharmacy, which you're going to grow most of, if not all of, your medicines and your food. So this has been your natural mystic medicine man. I'm going to talk to you real soon. I hope you've benefited from this short video. Peace and guidance. So basically, you just take your ginger. I'm only using about 4 leaves. Put them together. Take your kitchen shears, cut them up, let them fall down into the mason jar or whatever you're going to use. You can use a teacup. Reason I'm cutting them up is so that they can release their essential oils a little quicker in the tea. I also have some lemongrass here I'm going to add. Quick little recipe. Do the same thing. And I also have some hyssop. All of this I've grown in our own backyard pharmacy. This is going to be a very tasting tea, very good tasting tea. If you don't have shears, you can just rip it up. Put it directly in there. And you can see the amount of leaves I have in here. I will probably just fill it up about a third of the way and let it sit there for about 10 to 20 minutes at least, and then have a nice refreshing drink that's also medicinal.